Have you ever wondered how to make money while you sleep? Picture this, a steady stream of income flowing into your pockets and you're not even clocking in hours. This is the allure of passive income. It's about financial liberation, the freedom to earn without being shackled by the typical time for money trade. It's an attractive concept, isn't it? An income that's not dictated by your 9-to-5 grind. Imagine a life where your bank balance grows each day, whether you're sipping coffee, reading a book, or even sleeping. Now you might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Well, it's time to debunk some common myths about passive income. First off, let's clear something up. Passive income isn't just money that magically appears in your bank account. It requires upfront work, an investment, or often a combination of both. Imagine building a house. You can't just snap your fingers and have it appear, right? You need to lay down the foundation, put up the walls, and install the roof. It's hard work, but once it's done, you have a house that will shelter you for years to come. That's how passive income works. And remember, passive doesn't mean effortless. It takes time, patience, and dedication. Also, just like everything in life, success isn't guaranteed. You might stumble a few times before you hit the jackpot. So, while passive income can provide financial freedom, it's not a magic money-making machine. But don't let that deter you. Now that we've debunked the myths, you're probably wondering, how can I earn passive income? Well, let's dive into some strategies that you can consider. First, consider investing in stocks and bonds. This traditional method involves buying shares of a company or government bonds, which can yield dividends or interest over time. It's like planting a money tree that bears fruit season after season. Just remember, the stock market can be unpredictable, so it's important to do your research and perhaps seek advice from financial experts. Another option is real estate investments. This could mean buying a property and renting it out, or investing in real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. This way you can earn a steady stream of income without having to deal with the day-to-day hassles of property management. Have you heard about peer-to-peer lending? It's a modern twist on the age-old practice of lending money. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper enable you to lend money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's a win-win situation, as you're helping others while also growing your wealth. If you're creative or have a wealth of knowledge to share, consider creating a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast. Once you build a following, you can monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or patron donations. Selling digital products or courses is another great strategy. If you have a unique skill or expertise, why not package it into an online course or an ebook? Once created, these products can be sold infinitely, creating a steady income stream. Lastly, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. It's a fantastic way to leverage your online presence, especially if you have a blog or a large social media following. These strategies have the potential to generate income round the clock, but remember, they require initial effort or investment. So, are you ready to plant your money tree? Let's move on to how you can start earning passive income. Feeling ready to dive into the world of passive income? Here's how to get started. First, choose your strategy. What are you passionate about? What resources do you have? Maybe you love writing and could pen an ebook, or perhaps you're a whiz with numbers and could offer an online course. Next, learn about your chosen method. Absorb all the information you can find about it. Knowledge is power, remember? Then, set realistic goals. It's essential to create achievable targets. Aim for the moon, but remember, even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. Next, put in the initial effort or investment. This could be time, money, or both. And remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Finally, be patient. It can take time for your passive income stream to start flowing. But once it does, it can be a game changer. Remember, creating a passive income stream is a journey, not a sprint. So take the first step today and keep moving forward. Now that you know the steps to create a passive income, the path to financial freedom is in your hands. Remember, passive income isn't a myth. It's a reality that can be achieved with the right strategies. We've explored those strategies today, along with the steps to get you started on your journey. It's about understanding the concept, debunking the myths, and taking decisive action. So, are you ready to make money while you sleep? The choice is yours.